cute. Oh yeah. Some more of those. Some Christmas lights. Check out those roses. More of the pink Christmas. More Christmas lights. More pink roses. And then there's even Halloween. What are we going to do with all these nail stickers? Especially when my fingernails look like this on a regular basis. You'll want to watch and see. This is going to be amazing. I am going to take some of my autumn stickers and some wooden beads. Now, wooden beads, you can buy them in a natural wood form and you can paint them yourself, or you can buy them already painted. And I know before we even get started, a lot of you are going to say, Angie, this isn't new. You can already buy beads that have cool designs on them. Yes, you can. And I have a lot of them. A lot of them. But think of all the options. Like when you go and look up Christmas ones, you might find 50 different kind of Christmas ones. I've got one sheet of autumn here. And there's got to be 100 different styles on here. Imagine all the options. And that's just one brand. One sheet of one brand. So it's like limitless. Like so many possibilities. You'll definitely want to check this out. All right. So we've got our little decal here. And we're going to peel off that plastic. And then we're just going to stick it in some water. And we're going to leave it in there for like 20 seconds. While we're waiting, I'm going to go back and I'm going to grab one of these fall leaves because it's really stinking cute too. It's just calling my name. And, oh, that cover fell off already. And we're going to drop that one in there. Now, with the tweezers, I'm going to pull this up. And I'm going to grab one of my little ones already. And look at that. It just slides off so perfectly onto my thumb. And then you can line it up. And there you go. Is that not the cutest? Oh, farmhouse beads are never going to be the same again. Now you're going to let that dry and you're going to put a top coat on just like you would if you were putting these on your nails. You'd want to put a clear coat. Well, for your beads, you're going to want to use something like Duraclear. Duraclear is my favorite top coat, but whatever kind of top coat you'd prefer. And again, just press it on. And there we go. Is that not gorgeous? Now, while that one's drying, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to grab one of these metallic ones. Now, these can be used on your phone cases, on beads. Just imagine all the different things. Basically, they're tiny little stickers. Just because they have the word nails on there, it does not mean they're just for nails. Now, these ones here, you're not going to soak in water. These ones here, you're simply going to bend it back and kind of use your nail and peel it up a bit. Then I like to go in with the tweezers or your fingernail and just kind of peel it off just like that. Then you're going to grab your bead and look at that. Now, these ones are very much more dimensional and they're metallic. So just kind of pay attention to the different kinds that you have. Some of them I know work more like a tattoo. Some of them you peel off in water, and some of them are like a sticker more like this that you're going to just kind of pick at and pull up. And again, these ones here are going to need to be top coated as well, just to hold that into place. Okay. I've got my high gloss Duraclear, and then you're just going to want to paint that on. How perfect is that? So cute. And then you're just going to want to prop that up a little bit. Whoops. Just like that to let it dry. We can do the same thing with this larger one. I'm going to pick it up. Already got a little bit on the counter, so why not add a little more here? I'm going to take my Duraclear. I'm just going to brush it on. And then let it dry. Okay, so let me know in the comments, have you thought of this before? Or am I a genius because I'm feeling like a genius? Let me have this moment. I'm joking. Let me know if you've already thought of this or you've seen this before. But I just thought of it the other day and I was like, oh my gosh, I got to share it with you guys. So if you enjoyed this, let me know. If you've already done it before, let me know that too. I want to know. And here is up close. Look at that. The cute little metallic leaves that are on there, and they're already sealed. Really stinking cute. And then here's an up close of the little turkey. And there's that leaf. So cute. I think this is like a game changer. I can't wait to get into the Christmas ones. Little Santa Clauses, little reindeer. Oh my gosh, a little Santa Claus and then 8 little tiny reindeer ones. Oh my gosh, the possibilities, guys. Let me know though if you like this, if you want to see more videos like this, or what kind of videos do you want to see? Because I'm up for pretty much anything. All right, make sure you've subscribed. Hit your notification bell there so that you don't miss out on any of my creativeness or, you know, whatever else I'm up to. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all so much. Be creative. Bye-bye.